Welcome back to Stock Nation Academy series on understanding the stock market. In this episode, we're diving deep into how the stock market works and breaking down the basics for you. Alright, let's start with the building blocks of the stock market, stocks and shares. Think of stocks as little pieces of ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you're essentially buying a tiny slice of that company. Now, let's talk about shares. A share is just one of those pieces. Companies sell shares to raise money for all sorts of things, like building new factories, launching new products, or hiring more employees. But here's the cool part. When you buy shares of a company, you become a part owner of that company. That means you get to share in its successes and its profits. Now, let's talk about publicly traded companies. These are companies that have decided to sell their shares to the public through something called an initial public offering, or IPO. Once a company goes public, its shares are bought and sold on the stock market. That's where the fun begins. Now, let's break down the basics of buying and selling stocks. It's kind of like buying and selling anything else. You want to buy low and sell high. When you buy a stock, you're hoping that its price will go up over time. That way, you can sell it later for a profit. But remember, the stock market can be unpredictable. Prices can go up and down, sometimes by a lot, in a short amount of time. So it's important to do your research and make informed decisions before buying or selling stocks. And that's it. You now have a basic understanding of how the stock market works, from stocks and shares to buying and selling. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll dive into the fascinating world of stock market indices. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to get alerts for our upcoming episodes.